Hi there, Chris here with just a tip for you all. In this video, we are going to continue our look at using this Citadel contrast color on top of a large surface, such as a tank. So we have the Rhino here, and we're going to take another stab at applying Ultramarines Blue. We're going to use this little sponge. Now, these little, very tight little sponges are often in pluck foam cases, but you can also find them in big box stores in the painting supplies. Often they're in the finishing brushes kind of thing. So I'm going to basically use a large wash brush here or base coating brush, whichever, the larger brush you have, and apply this to the surface of the tank. And then again, you can see the brush strokes. Oh my gosh, those brush strokes, right? So with the sponge, we're going to very quickly come in and we are going to use the flat end and dab the excess away. We're going to use those, that quality of the paint that allows the brush strokes to show. We're going to use that in our favor, and we're going to create a slight texture along the surface. I know, my God, right? So as you can see here, I lay a little bit down and then begin using the sponge, and I'm using the flat end of the sponge here, but again, you could use the coarse end as well. It doesn't matter. As you can see here, we're just simply moving the paint around, and we're drawing it out anywhere that was a little too heavy. We just simply feathered it out a little further and covering more surface with it. Here you can see I just lay a little bit more and begin stippling it around the surface. Again, you can see we're using this quality of the paint because the brush strokes show. We're going to use that to our advantage. We're basically making lemonade, folks. And look at that. Again, we can set this aside, allow it to dry, and we can pretty much go from there. I'm actually kind of fond of that look. It actually looks a bit like actual paint job on a tank. Here it is once it's dry. Of course, there's that big old hair stuck to it, but that's okay. Ignore that. And you can see, you can see a big wet spot there underneath the exhaust. Oof. That's no good. But oh well. You'll be more careful than me. Here, I'm going to take a little bit more of the Ultramarines Blue contrast paint. I'm going to use the rough end of the sponge that I was just using. I basically tore it in half, so I have the rough end of it. I lay a little bit on my palette and begin straight away stippling the surface of the model. Now, alternatively, you could have started this way as well. You could lay a little bit onto your palette and just simply dip your sponge in and begin working the paint onto the model surface and begin initially creating this. Or you could spray a base or prime or what have you and begin laying the contrast down in this fashion. There is no limits to what you can do with paint. As long as you're willing to give it a try, use your imagination, and look at that. We could also came in the other direction where the darker colors at the top or something like along those lines. But look at that. When life hands you lemons, you make lemonade, and we create something completely different, and I kind of like that. So hopefully you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.